Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is a minimal makeup tutorial for someone that really do not like makeup and have to wear makeup for one reason or the other. So that's why I made this video for you. Yes, you know yourself. Okay, so we have to start with a primer. It's very important to prime your face before your makeup so that your makeup will last for a long time. Okay, so I applied the primer. I'm applying the Rimmel Stay Matte primer, after which I went to apply a setting powder. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. Is actually the one I got that was in I think dark deep. It's actually not my complexion, or rather not my shade. See, as I'm looking like a ghost. Hey god. Anyways, that's what I applied before I went on to do my brows. For my brows, I'm using the Davis brow pencil in number 18, and I'm just following the lines of my natural brows. I'm not doing anything special. Guys, if you are new, if you are seeing my face for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel, and also you can go check other of my videos, like you can check them out, and then I know you're going to love it here. Okay, so after the brows, I am going to conceal my brows with my Elegel Pro Concealer in Fawn. I'm using that brush you just saw. I'm taking a little, since it's just minimal, so we're not doing much in this video. Okay, so I'm taking a little and I'm just highlighting the brows, and I'll also do the same for the other brows, as you're going to see in a couple of seconds. And I went ahead to mix in the foundation with my concealer. I just wanted to get a shade darker than the concealer shade, so I don't get too bright for the upper part of my brows. Then for foundation, I'm using this flat top foundation brush, and I'm just spraying it with water and then going ahead to tap it into my skin like so, and I'm just applying it even in my eye area. We're not doing any eyeshadow today. It's a minimal makeup. Okay, so I'm just trying to blend it into my skin, my hairline, and my neck area. I'm just blending everything like so.
It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me.
And I'm going ahead to apply the same concealer I applied previously, the Elegel Pro Concealer in Fawn. I'm using it to highlight my face. To blend that in, I'm using this beauty sponge that has an edge, and I'm just blending it into my skin like so. You can see the difference between the side that I've already blended and the side I have not yet blended. You can see it's different and it pops. And I'm going into this Elegel oil control palette, and I'm taking, I think, color 1. I know it's that exact color that I pointed. I think I took the color 1, and I'm using it to set the areas where I highlighted. This powder palette is really good because even after some hours, when oil begins to come out of your skin, it doesn't give you that let's say strained look. It just blends into your skin, and you're still looking good all day. Like, you're still looking very good. It just blends into your skin, oxidizes, and you're not looking cakey or anything. You still look good all day. So I'm just applying it with my brush, and then I'm going in with my contour palette using this brush. You don't really need to have separate powders for this. If you have a face definer, you're going to have your contour, your highlighter, and also your shimmer shade. Yeah, I think that's what's called, a shimmer shade in there. But then I don't have the definer, I don't have it, so that's why I use separate powders, or rather separate powder palettes. But then it does the job well, and it's okay. So I'm just using this face brush to just apply my powder everywhere, and then I'm still going in to contour my nose with a smaller brush and then with a contour shade. Okay, then I'm using this angled brush to line my lids. I'm using the nickel gel liner. I haven't actually used an angled brush for this procedure before, but then I tried it and it's working really well and fine. Like, so you can see it's really well and it's fine, but it's really minimal. It's not something much. My mascara, I am using the Zaron eye lengthening mascara, and since I'm not going to be applying lashes, I'm just going to make sure my eyes are looking very good and sharp, so that, as they say, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. And I'm going in to apply my blush. It's actually optional, but then I just want to give my face a kind of color. So for my lips, I am just applying my lip balm, after which I'm going in with a lip pencil. I'm using Jordana's pencil in Brown Ridge, and that's all for my lips. I am not applying a highlighter or all those glue in this tutorial. I'm not actually applying it because I know that after some hours, for a minimal makeup, after some hours, or rather normally after some hours, you begin to shine, and then that glow you're looking for will come out naturally. So I'm not actually going for too much glow or anything. So this is the final look. As I said before, I don't really spray my face because it actually makes my face look, let's say, glowy, and I have an oily skin, so it naturally comes after some hours. So this is the final look, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe if you have not. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.